What's up guys, Robbie Blanchard here, and thank you so much for visiting this page and for watching this video. Now, because you're watching this video, that tells me that you're interested in Commission Hero and how to make more money online using Clickbank and Facebook, using this three-step method that I've put together. And I'm so excited you're here on this page because honestly, it is a life changer, and it will be a life changer for you and your family. And I don't say that lightly, guys, because I'm living proof of it, right? So as you know, and you've heard my story before, I was just a personal trainer, right? So I've been a personal trainer for 12 years, right out of college as a personal trainer. I own a CrossFit gym. I actually still own a CrossFit gym, and I had no marketing experience whatsoever. I didn't even know what Clickbank was just a few short years ago, and here I am, the #1 affiliate in the world on Clickbank. Now, what does it mean to be the #1 affiliate in the world? Well, it means that I'm making the most revenue each and every month, more than anybody else in the world. And to prove that, guys, I want to share with you and log into my Clickbank account right now from my phone, and I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. So, okay, let me log in here. Okay, awesome. So you can see here, guys, when you log in, you can see my Clickbank account that I'm making a lot of money each and every day. In fact, there are days where I'm making $20,000 a day in revenue, $30,000 a day, $50,000 a day currently as of yesterday, which is pretty crazy, right, to think about. Just imagine making $50,000 in a day. A lot of people don't even make that in a year, guys, and here I am doing it in just one day. And the crazy part is, guys, with this system, this method that I teach you, you don't have to work 10 hours a day in order to do that, guys. In fact, most days when I'm doing my ads with this method, I'm spending maybe an hour a day making it happen, just making some changes, and that's it, guys. It really is not super labor intensive, but it's very, very profitable and it's very scalable, which is awesome, guys. So make sure you check out this page, guys. On this page, you're gonna have the opportunity to read my story, see what's in Commission Hero. So with Commission Hero, you're gonna get my entire system of how I've generated tens of thousands of dollars a day. I'm $1 million a day, $1 million in 1 month in January. I'm on track for $1 million this month too, and how you can have that same type of success for yourself. Now, in Commission Hero, you're gonna get pretty much everything you need. It's pretty much a done-for-you system and course. You're gonna get all of the landing pages that I use personally to make money online. You're gonna get all the advertising images. You're gonna get the ad copy. Okay, so literally I'm doing everything for you, right? I also give you the Facebook training too. So you get all the Facebook training. If you've never run Facebook ads before, don't worry. I'm gonna teach you all of the methods that you need to learn to run Facebook ads. And in fact, in addition to running this system, I also have a full functioning 7-figure agency where we run ads for clients as well. So I know a thing or two about Facebook. In fact, most of those Facebook experts you see in those Facebook groups, and they're the ones coming to me for advice, okay? So I'm gonna teach you how to get the right ads running, how to scale up your offers, how to go from $100 a day to literally $10,000, $20,000 a day in profit and spend, and how you can do it all very quickly, okay? You don't have to have any experience whatsoever. And also the cool thing about Commission Hero is the private coaching group. So I have a private Facebook group where all the students are gonna be in there, and we're gonna be going over live trainings. I'm gonna hook you up with better commission deals. There's gonna be a lot of cool stuff in this training, guys. So make sure you register for it. Okay, right now the price, you can see the price below, but it is gonna be going up soon. And the reason why it's gonna be going up soon is because I wanna be able to get as many people in there, get as many success stories as possible. And that's why I wanted to make it a no-brainer offer. But once we get that going, I'm gonna be jacking the price up for sure, because if you're gonna be making tens of thousands of dollars a day, then whatever I charge is gonna be well worth it no matter what the price is, right? So make sure you click the link below to register for the training, okay, and for this course, Commission Hero, and I know it's gonna be a game changer for you. Also with Commission Hero, you have a 14-day money-back guarantee, so you can go through the entire course. You can start to run your ads, and if for whatever reason you don't see any success, which is just not possible, it's not gonna happen, but if you don't, you can get your money back, okay? So there's really nothing to lose here, guys. So if you wanna quit your 9-to-5 job, you wanna have more success, have freedom to travel, spend time with your friends and family, and have that financial freedom that Commission Hero provides, then make sure you're registered and sign up for Commission Hero right now. So click that link below on this page and get signed up. You'll be able to get into the group and start right away, guys. And literally, most students who are in Commission Hero, they go and they make their first sale within a couple days, okay? So make sure you register below. I can't wait to see you in the course and in the training. We're gonna have a lot of fun. I'm gonna be there with you every step of the way. So register below, and I'll talk to you guys later.